How was your day at work? Did you leave the office feeling spiritually uplifted?
Well, some for-profit companies, including one here in Louisville, are finding that they benefit from creating such an environment.
So, last week you were here with
Joe Steier's philosophy of spirituality in the workplace changed after his son Luke was born. 12 weeks early, weighing 3 pounds 2 ounces, with a level 3 brain bleed out of 4.
There's an initial feeling where you feel like you're alone and you're overwhelmed and you can't really handle it. And then you see this incredible humanity come and embrace you. You start realizing you're not alone. And you start seeing the power of all these people, Baptist ministers, Jewish leaders, everybody from different religions coming together, praying with you and your family at your darkest hour.
He says those prayers helped him and his family, and that Luke, who is now 9, healed miraculously. Luke now goes to the nursing homes owned by his father's company, Signature Healthcare, and prays with the residents. Steier took it further, adding chaplains and spiritual programs in the nursing homes and for the employees in the corporate office.
At the end of the day, I think people are looking for a more meaningful workplace. I think, especially in healthcare, where it's so difficult these days.
At Signature Healthcare, there's a prayer circle outside corporate headquarters in the morning, a prayer room in the building, Bible verses written on walls, yoga offered during lunch hour, and a vice president of spirituality on staff, Diane Timmering. What does that give to your employees?
Well, I think it first of all, it edifies them. It's encouraging. I mean, it's uplifting.
They also have a compassion fund. Employees donate to it. So far, $1.1 million has been raised to help more than 700 families, like Tasha Dean, who received $2,300 to help her aunt, who has stage 4 cancer.
She's very, very grateful, and I know everybody in the family is just... words can't express how much everyone's very grateful for everything.
Steier and Timmering co-authored a book about spirituality.
I think we live in a very noisy world, and I think especially in the corporate world, where the corporate world says you have to leave your spiritual skin at the door.
And they're getting attention for embracing it in the workplace, all because of an amazing little boy. And they also have a company-wide prayer chain with 600 people. So if you are going through a rough time and you want the support of some of your colleagues, you would say, will you pray for me? And of course, it's every single religion that is practiced.
Wow, so
that's nice.
And a lot of people are doing that maybe on their own, but they're
right.
kind of the company setting the tone there.
Right, and you can talk about it, where they say in some places it's something that you don't really discuss with your coworkers.
A lot of people have been praying for some sunshine here lately, too.
Oh, yeah.